Okay, so I should be rolling. So installing installing a deadbolt is pretty simple.
Hey, what's up everyone? If you find this video helpful, you can make it available to more people if you hit the like button.
Especially if you don't need to change the length of it. So, shit, it's raining. So for these guys, let's take it out of here. What you want to do is take out the. I mean, I'm gonna do just a quick explanation and then go do it. But I've done a whole bunch of this. So for these guys, pretty much what you want to do is once you remove the old one, all you want to do is position yourself on the inside of the, which it doesn't matter, but I usually position myself on the inside of, like, say, let's say the house, and I just look for these up sign right here, and that's pretty much it. Just put this sign up, boom, just stick it in the hole. If your hole is like this and you come in and you're touching the back here and it's flush with the door in the front, you're good. You don't need to do any adjustments to this. Okay, so just put it in with the up like this. Let's say my door is going that way, right? And of course I want this guy on the inside. So if this is like this, you can see the cross, and you can see you have this cross here. You just leave it alone, right? Of course. And then you just put this guy like this. It doesn't matter if you do this or this or this. You just put it like this, okay? Expecting, and you can see that it's horizontal. This guy, it doesn't matter what you do with this guy, okay? This guy will spin in there. It doesn't matter how much he spins or what he does or doesn't do. Doesn't matter. What matters is that you put the upside up. That's what matters. And it's gonna be, see this, like if you try to turn it that way, it just turns the whole thing. When you turn it this way, you can put it horizontal. Okay, because this is the top. You can put it horizontal. And you just go through this guy. Find this guy. Actually, this guy goes like this. The screws are lower, which is the only way that it can match. See? This side is much, this is the top here, it's much wider. This is at the bottom, so this needs to be at the bottom. It just needs to be like this. Once you put it in there, that's pretty much it. Then what you do after that, you don't put any screws here when you put this guy, and then you come here and you put the screws on here, the screws to go. Okay, so again, this guy no screws, this guy up and down, the bottom at the bottom, this guy is on the outside. You see the letters are up, and the kind of the, okay, I guess, or the key ring is at the bottom here, bottom of the ring, bottom here, and then just fish the wires in there. The wires are going, of course, through here, the deadbolt mechanism, and then they find the hole in the back, Okay, hole in the back. And then you tighten these guys, you get these guys snug. You put them all the way in there snug. And then once these guys are snug, it looks good. You open it, close it, seems to be fine. Then you come over here to the front and you make sure, if you don't have a hole, you make sure you put the screw dead center in here as much as you can. If not, just put the screws back in and just tighten little by little. Tighten it here, tighten it there, tighten it here, tighten it there, and just keep testing and make sure that it's not over tightened. If you some of this, if you tighten them too much, the whole mechanism start like having issues, and then kind of the knob will get hard to go in and out. But that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Let me go do it. Over here you can see how they put this with the screws facing out. And there is no screws here. You can see the upside here. Okay, so this guy will go on the outside, and you can see this is the top, this is the bottom. Let's put it there, horizontal. Because again, this guy is expecting it horizontally. Okay, in order to be like this, it's horizontal. If you put it like this, which is cup, you won't be able to put the screws in. Then it's this way, and it won't go in. Right? This thing is like a little out of whack. Like it's not sitting into the hole very well. And now I just gotta fish this guys in there. This guy is a little too tight and I don't like it. I think it might not be going into the right hole. One of the two is not going into the hole. Into the right hole. Sometimes if you're just right outside of the hole, it starts tightening against it. Okay, now it's going in soft. And you can see that now it's more horizontal. Before it was a little crooked. So it'll get tight, but it's getting tight against the metal and not really on the threads. Let me tell you. I mean, shit. It is not the same, but I'm sorry, the camera angle was not right over there. What I was trying to explain is that sometimes if you see that the screws are getting tight before actually going all the way in, is because they're just like outside of the hole and they're just getting tight against the actual metal here and not really going inside. When they're going inside, they usually go nice and smooth. So that's what it was happening to me there. And you feel that they're going straight. I guess the best way is to make sure you can see a nice horizontal line there. But as you can see, I haven't put anything here. Oh shit, it's raining. I'm just putting this guy snug, as I mentioned before. Shit, it's raining too much. Let me see, maybe I can try to finish. Okay. Still nice and smooth. I feel good about it. It's pretty good. Just gonna give it one more. And now, shit, where's my screws here? Now, once you're done with this guy, is when you put these guys on. Never put these guys first. Never put these guys first. These guys will go in only once you're done. Try to put it dead center. See, I just punch it in, and then I screw it in. My cell phone is getting wet, man. It's supposed to be waterproof, but who knows? Now I'm dealing with this guy here, which is I really don't understand these doors really with these things. It's kind of but I'm gonna put the thing on there. Let me make sure. Okay, the center. Just trying to get the center here. Look at that. That's way off. So because of that, I have to bring this guy here. Let's see. Okay, that's a little too low now. It's a little too low. Center. Okay, I think that's good there. test it. Okay. This guys will not work here. He needs bigger, thicker screws. That's okay for now.
DIY